Welcome to my channel Upgrade Your English. Please subscribe this channel. Today we will learn how to use word under and below. Let's start. We'll understand under and below with some scenarios. First scenario is at lower level than something someone directly below. In this case we use under. Let's understand by example. The dog is under the table. In this picture, the dog is directly under the table. That is why under is used. Second scenario is at a lower level than something someone below is used. Let's understand by example. The man dives below the water. So here man is dives lower level of water, below is used. Second scenario is movement. A movement at lower level than something and someone, under is used, but with below it is not applicable. Let's understand by example. The kid is crawling under the table. So there is a movement of kid under the table. That is why under is used. Below scenario is below is used in measurements of temperature and height, but in case of under, the temperature and height is not applicable. Under scenario is under is used in numbers, ages or other measurable quantities, but with below the numbers and ages are not used. Let's understand by example. The price of item is under 500 rupees. In this sentence, we use under because 500 is a number. Second case is driving license is not allowed for anyone under the age of 18. Here 18 is the age, that is why under is used. Next example, the thermometer temperature is below normal. So below is used with temperature measurement. So that is why. Next example, the boy is standing below the balcony. This is related with the height. Boy is standing below the certain height. That is why below is used. Let's do some practice exercise. The girl is shouting dash her balcony. So the girl is at a certain height, that is why below is will be used. Second example is the girl is swinging dash the tree. In this case, the girl is directly swinging under the tree, so the answer will be under. Cars are moving dash the helicopter. So in this case, cars are moving not directly under the helicopter, so that is why answer will be below. family are dash the umbrella. The family are standing directly under the umbrella, so that the answer is under. Family are under the umbrella. The boy is standing dash hanging clothes. Boy is standing not directly under the hanging clothes, so that the answer is below. Few more examples. The books are dash the table. In this case, books are directly under the table, so the answer is under. Second question, boys are playing dash the airship. So the boys are playing not directly under the airship, so the answer is below. The girl is standing dash the lamp. So here the girl is standing directly under the lamp, so the answer is under. The boy is dash the blanket. Here the boy is directly under the blanket, so that is why under is the answer. Fifth, the major part of ice is the water. Here the answer is below. Sixth, the fuel is coming out from the rocket. So here the answer is below. Please like, follow and subscribe my channel. Thank you children.